Alright, creating a production workflow. Create or open a project. We'll create a console app. Template production workflow. Let's get rid of this. First things first, let's set up our gitignore. New item. Oops. Gitignore. I'll put this in the description. This is the template here. You can modify this to your needs. Okay, that's all set. Okay, let's show you where to find this if it's not there. Go to view, terminal, brings you here. Let's see. Alright, let's check the status of Git first. Alright, so there's no Git repo initialized. So let's go ahead and initialize it. Alright, so now we initialized it. Let's check the status now. You can see we're on branch master. Modern etiquette is to have that as main. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, let's look. Now we're on branch main. Okay. Alright. So you see here, let's go get Adam. Sorry, I'm kind of just making this up on the fly of what I'm going to do, so I kind of have to like think ahead. Alright, get commit. First commit. Okay, sign in. This will be the landing page. Temp workflow. Doesn't matter. No template. No readme. No gitignore. Don't worry about license for now. Alright, as you see, we don't have anything here. Let's go ahead and copy this link. Come back here. And let's go get remote. Did I double space there? No. Add origin, and let's paste what we copied. Okay. Alright. Now let's push it to that remote repo. Git push origin main. Okay, that looks good. You can see it worked. Double check it. Let's refresh. Yeah, it worked. Alright. Now I'm going to explain kind of how this is going to work. Alright, you're going to have these temporary branches here. And these are the persistent branches. Whenever you create a feature, a fix, or a doc, you're going to name it as such. These branches will be created and then pushed to the developer. If everything checks out, it'll be merged into the developer, and that's where it will go for testing. And then it'll be pushed to main, and if it all passes all the tests, it'll be merged into the main. Main should have no bugs. Alright, that's generally how that works. Hopefully I explained that okay. Alright, so let's go ahead and create the branch. Check out the developer branch, and you can see what branch you're on by the green highlight here with the asterisk. Alright, so now we're on developer. So let's go ahead and make a feature. customers in the models directory. Okay, I think that's good. Let's see, git status. Okay, nothing to commit, you see there. Let's just double check to make sure we're on the right branch. We are. Okay. Alright, so let's go ahead and make it. This practically does it for you. Alright, watch. Oh, see? Look at that. Save. Git status. Add it. Commit it. Okay. Okay, let's check, see if it worked. Okay, let's go like this. What did I do wrong here? Let me just think for a second. Okay. We already had the developer branch made. That's why. Okay. So we're gonna push it to developer. We're creating a pull request to developer. Like I said, if it meets the requirements, it'll be merged into developer. All right, let's go over some markdown. Let me show you here. So this is gonna actually apply the markdown here, but just take time to look this over. Hopefully I covered everything that's pretty basic. Let me go ahead and just label these. Oops, and copy that. Okay. Bold. Italic. Unordered list. click to expand this. This is good for large text. This, you either do it like this, or some some things will, for a check, it'll be unchecked with the space in the middle, or checked with the X. But you could just keep it like this, and it's interactive on GitHub where the checkbox can be checked. Alright, I think I leveled everything. We can go ahead and create the pull request. Oh, whoops. You see here, because that's also how you do the bullets there. You could do it either or. So let's see, we can edit this. And so now we can actually show it. This is good, actually. Okay, I think we are all set up now. Let's check it. Heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4. Hold on. Thought this was italic. Italic, am I spelling it right? Italic. Why does that not look right? That's funny. If it doesn't work, oh, there it goes. I must have spelled it wrong or something. Alright, so heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, bold, italic, unordered list, ordered list. Here's your hidden text, the checkbox. Boom, go ahead. Everything checked out. Merge pull request. You can do more markdown here. We'll just do that. I don't even think it's going to show right now, but since it's successful, you can then, like I said, it's temporary branch, just to apply, I guess, what you could call updates. Or just feature, we'll just call it features. I think that's a better way to put it. Features to the application, because fix, if you're fixing something, you do fix, and then whatever the fix name is here. So we're all done with this. We can go ahead and delete the branch. All right, that's deleted. Let's go check. Okay. All right. I don't know. I don't think it worked. Why did that not work? Oh, it's because we're on main. That's why. So I mean, that's why it's always important to know what branch you're on. So here it is. All right. So now we can go ahead and do this. So we're gonna push it to main. Pushing to main after testing. There we go. You don't want to delete this branch. Okay. Let's just refresh it in case. Okay. Yep. There you go. There it is. Sorry for the little hiccups. I was making this up on the fly. I'll post some stuff in the description.